Who knows how we do this, so we're just going to send it here. This is the 2006, sorry, we already fucked up. It's 2006 KTM SX125 or 125 SX, however you want to pronounce it. KTM. It's toast. It's a piece of shit. It's fucking needs a full rebuild. We're gonna go over absolutely everything. We've got the sandblaster, we've got Cerakote in gear, we're gonna get some powder coat in gear. We've even got a donor bike over here with some nice MPE suspension that we're gonna be using, maybe even use some rims. I've gone forward and I've done a couple of bits and pieces here of Cerakoting myself. They look alright. If you have a look on Instagram, you can have a couple more looks at it. James, mate, that's me on Instagram. I've got the link there for you. Give you a little bit of a walk around of this bike. What's wrong with that? I want to be in the video. Yeah, I picked it up off my mate for $250. Bit of a bargain. She is toast, but what we're going to do today is we're just going to tear her down and pretty well start building it back up after we go do some powder coating on the frame. Get this all hydro blasted. We'll see what we can do. Might even powder coat that, but it's going to be a brand new bike when we're done. So enjoy watching the video, guys. I'm going to have a couple of mates come and join me, and yeah, we'll see how we go.